Tonight, I'm making the family some healthy, homemade cheesy gordita crunches. Start by shredding some cheese, placing them on your tortilla, and putting in the oven just long enough to get that cheese good and melted. Gonna add our hard shell taco here. Just press that so the cheese can stick to that hard shell. Add your lean beef, lettuce, shredded cheese. We're also going to add this cilantro lime sauce I found at Costco. It worked really good on it. This is it. I hope you enjoy.